Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Talk.
Hi, listeners. We're so happy you're here today.
I'm David.
And I'm Olivia.
How are you today, Olivia?
I'm good. A little tired, though.
Tired? Why?
I walked up 6 floors today.
6 floors? Why didn't you use the elevator?
That's actually today's topic.
Oh, is this about...
Yes, the elevator incident.
Oh, no. That day was terrible.
Terrible? It was an adventure.
An adventure? We were stuck.
Exactly. But before we start,
Listeners, if you enjoy our podcast,
please subscribe.
click that subscribe button
It really helps us.
and leave a comment. Tell us your stories.
We read all the comments.
Okay, now let's begin today's story.
The story of the broken elevator.
The worst day of my life.
It wasn't that bad.
Okay, listeners, let me set the scene.
This happened last month.
We were visiting our friend Sarah.
Sarah lives in a tall apartment building.
Very tall, 20 floors.
She lives on floor 15.
15, that's high.
So we took the elevator.
Obviously, I'm not walking 15 floors.
Of course not.
We entered the building. We pressed the elevator button.
The elevator arrived quickly.
We stepped inside.
The doors closed,
I pressed number 15.
and the elevator started moving up.
Everything was normal at first.
Very normal, very smooth.
Floor 1, floor 2, floor 3,
Then we reached floor 7.
and suddenly,
The elevator stopped.
what was that? What happened?
I don't know. Maybe it's just a pause?
A pause? Elevators don't pause.
Let's wait a second. Maybe it will start again.
It's not moving.
No, it's not moving.
It's not moving.
David, don't panic.
Don't panic. We're stuck.
We don't know that yet.
The elevator stopped. We're between floors. We're stuck.
Okay, let me press a button. Nothing happened.
Nothing happened.
David, please calm down.
How can I calm down? We're trapped.
We're not trapped, we're just temporarily stopped.
That's the same thing.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Let's press the emergency button.
Yes, the emergency button. Good idea. I'm pressing it. I'm pressing the emergency button.
Press it harder.
I am pressing it harder.
Is anything happening?
No, nothing.
Try the door button.
Which one?
The open door button.
What is that sound?
Is that music?
Why is there music?
I think you pressed the wrong button.
What? How many buttons does this elevator have?
Well, at least we have music now.
I don't want music. I want to get out.
It's actually quite nice music.
Olivia, this is not funny.
It's a little funny.
We're stuck in an elevator with jazz music.
Yes, that's why it's funny.
This is a nightmare.
Okay, let me try to find the right button.
Please, find the emergency button.
There are so many buttons.
I know, it's confusing.
This one says alarm.
Press it. Press the alarm. Too loud! Too loud!
At least it's working.
My ears are ringing.
Someone will hear us now.
I hope so.
Okay, now we wait.
Wait? For how long?
I don't know, maybe 5 minutes?
5 minutes?
Maybe 10 minutes?
10 minutes?
David, relax.
Relax? How can I relax?
Just breathe. Sit down. Be calm.
Sit down? On the floor?
Yes, on the floor.
But the floor is dirty.
You're worried about dirt? Now?
It's a valid concern.
You're unbelievable.
David, I need to tell you something.
What?
I don't like small spaces.
You don't?
No, I get nervous.
You're claustrophobic?
A little bit, yes.
Oh, David, why didn't you tell me?
Because it's embarrassing.
It's not embarrassing.
Yes, it is. I'm a grown man.
Many people are claustrophobic.
Olivia, what if we run out of air?
Run out of air?
Yes. What if there's not enough oxygen?
David, there's plenty of air.
Are you sure?
Yes, look, there are ventilation holes.
Where?
Up there, in the ceiling.
Oh, you're right. I can see them.
See? We're fine.
Okay, we're fine.
We're completely safe.
Safe, but stuck.
Yes, safe but stuck.
How long has it been?
About 3 minutes.
3 minutes? It feels like an hour.
Time moves slowly when you're stuck.
This is so boring.
Let's talk. Let's pass the time.
Talk? About what?
I don't know. Anything.
Okay, what's your favorite color?
Really? That's your question?
I'm nervous. I can't think.
Okay, it's blue.
Blue. Nice.
What about you?
Red. Of course, like your football team.
Exactly.
This is awkward.
Very awkward.
I hate waiting.
Me too.
Wait, do you hear that?
Hear what?
Listen.
Is the elevator moving?
I don't know, is it?
Oh no, it's shaking.
It's shaking. We're going to fall.
We're not going to fall.
Are you sure?
Yes, elevators have safety systems.
Safety systems? I don't trust safety systems.
David, please stay calm.
Wait. It's moving.
Which way? Up or down?
I don't know. I can't tell.
Is it going down?
Yes, it's going down.
Down, but we need to go up.
I know.
David, the elevator is going down.
I can feel it. We're descending.
But why? We pressed up.
I don't know. Maybe it's automatic.
Automatic?
Maybe it's going to the ground floor for repairs?
Or maybe...
Maybe what?
Maybe it's falling?
Falling? Don't say that word.
I'm just saying.
Well, don't just say.
It's getting faster.
I can feel it. It's definitely getting faster.
Hold on to something.
There's nothing to hold.
The railing. Grab the railing.
I'm grabbing it. I'm grabbing the railing.
David, I'm scared.
It's okay. We're going to be okay. Are you sure?
Yes, maybe. I don't know.
Listeners, we need to take a break.
A break? Now?
Yes, a coffee break.
We're in an elevator.
Well, actually, we can't go anywhere. We're stuck. That's not funny.
It's a little funny.
This coffee is good.
Very good. Just what we need.
While we drink our coffee, listeners,
Tell us in the comments.
have you ever been stuck in an elevator?
Or stuck somewhere else?
We want to hear your stories.
Okay, coffee break is over.
Time to finish the story.
What happens next?
Does the elevator fall?
Do we escape?
You'll find out right now.
And we're back.
Welcome back, listeners.
We're still in the elevator.
Still stuck.
And the elevator is moving down.
Very fast.
Let's continue the story.
Wait, it's slowing down.
You're right. It's slower now.
Oh, thank goodness.
We're not falling. We're just going down.
I told you.
No, you didn't. You said we were falling.
I was scared.
We stopped. What floor are we on?
I don't know. The display's broken.
Try the door.
I'm trying.
It's not opening.
Keep trying.
I am trying.
Wait, the doors! They're opening!
They're opening.
We can see outside!
Where are we?
I think we're in the basement.
The basement?
Yes, look! There are pipes and machines!
I don't care where we are. Let's get out.
We're out! We're out!
Fresh air. Well, basement air.
I'm never taking an elevator again.
Never?
Never!
What about tall buildings?
I'll take the stairs.
Even to floor 20?
Maybe.
You'll change your mind.
Oh, hello. Are you okay?
We were stuck.
I know, I'm so sorry. The elevator has a problem.
A problem?
Yes, old system. We're fixing it now.
Old system? We could have died.
No, the elevator is safe. It just stops sometimes.
How long were we stuck?
About 15 minutes?
15 minutes? It felt like 3 hours.
Again, I'm very sorry. Can I help you with anything?
Yes. How do we get upstairs?
Pointing. The stairs are over there.
Of course. The stairs. Floor 1.
Come on, David. Only 14 more to go.
14? I can't.
Yes, you can.
Floor 2. I'm dying.
You're not dying. You're just out of shape.
Out of shape?
When was the last time you exercised?
I walked yesterday.
To the fridge doesn't count.
That's not fair.
Come on, floor 3.
This is worse than being stuck.
At least we're moving. You know, David, this reminds me of something.
What?
Didn't you get stuck in an elevator before?
How do you know about that?
You told me, remember?
Oh, right.
Listeners, David has another elevator story.
Do we have to tell this story?
Yes, it's too good not to tell.
Fine. Let's sit down for a minute.
Good idea. Let's rest on floor 5.
Okay. This happened 3 years ago.
3 years ago.
I was living in a different apartment building.
Where?
In London, near the city center.
What happened?
One day, I was coming home from work. It was late, around 10 p.m.
Late?
Yes, I was very tired. I entered my building. I pressed the elevator button.
Normal so far.
The elevator arrived. I stepped inside. I pressed floor 12.
Floor 12? High.
Yes, very high. The elevator started going up. Floor 1, floor 2, floor 3.
Let me guess. It stopped?
It stopped, but this time was worse.
Worse? How?
The lights went out.
No.
Yes, complete darkness.
What did you do?
I panicked. I screamed. I pressed every button.
Every button?
Every single button. Emergency, alarm, door open, door close, everything.
Did anything work?
No, nothing worked. I was stuck in the dark.
For how long?
3 hours.
3 hours?
3 whole hours.
What did you do for 3 hours?
I sat in the corner, in the dark, and I sang.
You sang?
Yes, I sang to stay calm.
What did you sing?
Childhood songs.
Like what?
Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star.
You sang Twinkle Twinkle in an elevator?
It was comforting.
That's adorable.
Stop laughing.
I can't. It's too funny.
After 3 hours, the building manager finally found me.
How?
He heard my singing.
He heard you singing nursery rhymes?
Yes, he thought a child was stuck. When he opened the door, he was very surprised.
I bet he was.
It was the most embarrassing moment of my life.
That's the best story ever.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
No wonder you're scared of elevators.
Exactly. I have trauma.
Okay, story time is over. Let's keep climbing.
Do we have to?
Yes, Sarah is waiting for us.
I'm so tired.
Floor 10, almost there.
Floor 10. Only 5 more.
You can do it.
Floor 11.
Keep going.
Floor 12.
3 more.
Floor 13.
2 more.
Floor 14.
1 more. Last one.
Floor 15. We made it.
We did it. We finally made it.
I need water.
So, listeners, today we learned some useful words.
Important words for emergencies.
First, we learned stuck, when you can't move or leave.
Example, we were stuck in the elevator for 15 minutes.
And panic, when you feel very scared and lose control.
Example, I always panic in small spaces.
We also learned emergency, a dangerous or serious situation.
Example, press the emergency button if you need help.
And rescue, when someone saves you from danger.
Example, the maintenance worker rescued us from the elevator.
We learned basement, the lowest floor of a building, underground.
Example, the elevator took us to the basement.
And stairs, steps that go up and down in a building.
Example, we climbed 15 floors using the stairs.
And David is still tired from those stairs.
Very, very tired.
Well, listeners, that's our story for today.
The story of the broken elevator.
And the 15 flights of stairs.
My legs still hurt.
So, listeners, remember,
If you get stuck in an elevator, don't panic.
press the emergency button.
Wait for help.
And maybe sing a song.
Olivia,
What? It worked for you.
that was 3 years ago.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Stop it.
Okay. So, listeners,
Tell us in the comments, have you ever been stuck somewhere?
an elevator, a room, a bathroom?
We want to hear your stories.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Click that subscribe button.
New episodes every week.
Thank you for listening.
Until next time,
Take the stairs.
or check the elevator first.
Goodbye.